दिल्ली, भारत राजधानी दिल्ली ने 11 अप्रैल की शाम को एक ऐतिहासिक मिठास भरे आयोजन की मेजबानी की, जब भारत में पहली बार इंटरनेशनल केक अवार्ड्स का आयोजन हुआ। यह भव्य कार्यक्रम इंडिया एंड इंटरनेशनल केक मैगजीन द्वारा आयोजित किया गया, जो भारत में केक इंडस्ट्री का एक प्रमुख नाम बन चुका है। यह शाम थी एक ऐसे जश्न की जिसमें अद्भुत कलात्मकता, रचनात्मकता और वैश्विक सहयोग का संगम देखने को मिला।
The whole idea of doing the awards was to basically get the international artists and the Indian artists on the same platform, and so I wanted to get the what we get outside, living outside of India, what we get there. It's not possible in India right now, and I wanted to get that to our Indian artists. So I wanted them on the same platform. So to be recognized with the international artists, that's a very big deal because it changes the level completely. So I wanted that for India, and I'm very happy to introduce our very first international awards in India.
Thank you.
Tell me something about nominees. So we had over 100 nominees for our awards. In fact, when we opened the nominations, we received about 10,000 nominations. And from that, we had selected, we went through the whole judging process. We selected, for every category, we chose about 6 to 8 to 10 artists from every category. And so what we've done is we've introduced new categories in India, which is not there in any, any awards in the world right now. Like the cake content creator category, which is not there in any international awards either. So we are the first ones, we are the pioneers to introduce categories like that, which is very important because there are so many cake content creators that work so hard, and we believe that they deserve a separate platform of their own, and they deserved a separate award that will recognize them. So that is the reason why we did that, and we have over 100 nominees. And we have international artists as well, and we have Indian artists as well. We have different categories for international artists and different for Indian artists. And so I think you will see that over here, and we have a lot of international artists attending the awards as well.
Okay, ma'am.
What's your future plan? Future plans, wow. Well, I want to grow the awards, obviously, and the whole idea is to make this bigger and better. And maybe I'm thinking about a cake show as well to go with the awards. So yeah, future plans.
So, ma'am, how many winners are selected for this award?
One winner per category.
Okay.
And we have about 26 categories.
Yeah.
But in one category, which is the promising talent category, we have 30 finalists and 5 winners.
Any word for winner?
Sorry?
Any word for winner?
Any word for winner?
winner?
Well, I think you will see that the finalists that we have, when you see their works on the screen, they're all brilliant. So even being a finalist is a very big deal because you are on the same level as the international artists. So when you see that, you will see that the level is so high that they are already all winners. And the one who wins, I mean, from every category, the judges had a very tough time trying to decide who the winner will be. But everybody's brilliant.
Name some eminent judges which you have called up.
So we have David Close, who is our head judge. He's come from the UK, and he is a very, very well-known, he's a world-renowned chef, and he's the head judge of one of the world's biggest cake shows, Cake International, and he is also our head judge, and he's here today. We have Tatiana Nazarova from Russia. She is the head of Cake Artist World in Russia. We have Kelly Jane. She is the editor of Delicious magazine in the UK. And we have, so these are the judges who are present today, but we have other international artists as well. And we have Indian artists who are also judges, again, very big names. Romana Jastil, she's a very big name in the Indian cake industry. She is a judge. We have Gaurav Badhwa. He is the owner of Theo's, who's also here today. And we have Aarti Mirji. Again, she's a very world-renowned flour artist, as in sugar flowers artist. And we have Ashwini Sarabhai, who again a world-renowned sugar flower artist. So we have brilliant judges among us, and we have brilliant international artists. We have some amazing Indian artists who are also, gaining a lot of attention in the international media and international levels.
This is the first edition in India happening.
Yes, this is the very first international awards in India. Our first edition, but also the very first international awards in India. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Только здесь люди очень добрые, отзывчивые и очень хорошие.
Tell us about this award. Tell us about this award.
Как скажите немного этот сегодняшний наград?
Сегодня я приехала к вам из далекой, холодной России, из Москвы, Moscow, Russia. И приехала поддержать Тину, так как это первое мероприятие для Индии, оно очень важное. И я считаю, что оно сделано на очень высоком уровне. Вам очень повезло с вашей девушкой.
What will you say about today about function?
Что вы будете рассказать о сегодняшнем награде?
Я очень надеюсь, что победят сильнейшие. Этот конкурс лучший, один из лучших конкурсов мира, поэтому будем болеть за сильных мастеров.
One word for the organizer. Одно слово для как организации. Кто организовали сегодняшнее мероприятие?
Прекрасное мероприятие, на мой взгляд, все организовано очень на высоком уровне, и я надеюсь, что вы будете продолжать в том же духе, а мы будем ездить сюда обязательно.
Спасибо.
Happy to be here.
You are also looking shiny.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Doing great.
Yeah. Yeah.
One word for India.
One word for India. It's an amazing country and people are so nice. I'm really happy to be here. And people are treating me really nice. But the experience is a little short because I'm only here 3 days, so it's a bit tiring, but I'm making the most of it. And I want to come back very soon to visit a little more and to get to know more people and to do more stuff here. Thank you so much.